In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your return address on Shopify. Having the correct return address is really important, especially if you're shipping physical products. It ensures that any returned packages actually make it back to you, and it helps keep your branding and customer communication consistent. I'll walk you through the exact steps inside your Shopify admin, and we'll also cover how to add a brand new location if you don't have one set up yet. First, go ahead and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look down to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see an option called Settings. Click on that to open your store's main settings area. On the left-hand side of this page, you'll see a menu. From that list, find and click on Locations. This is where Shopify stores all the addresses for your business, including the default location and any additional locations you might use. Inside the Locations page, look for the second section or card labeled Default Location. This is the address Shopify uses for things like returns and sometimes inventory. On the right side of that default location, you'll see a Change button. Click that. A drop-down will appear with all the locations you currently have set up in your store. Choose the location you want to use as your new return address. Once you've selected it, don't forget to click Save at the top of the page near the search bar. That confirms your changes and updates your default return address. If you don't have another location yet and you want to create a new one specifically for returns, stay on the Locations page and look at the first card labeled All Locations. In the top right corner of that section, you'll see a button that says Add Location. Click that to create a new address. On the Location Details page, start by setting a clear name for this location. To do that, click the pencil icon on the right side of the name field. A pop-up will open where you can type in the name you want to use, like your warehouse name or your brand name. When you're happy with it, click Done at the bottom right of the pop-up. Next, you'll add the full address for this new location. Click the pencil icon on the right side of the address field. Another pop-up will open. First, choose the country or region. Then, enter your street address, and if needed, add apartment, suite, or unit information. Fill in your postal code, your city, and then select your state or region from the drop-down. You'll also see a space to enter a contact number for this location. Add a valid phone number so carriers and customers can reach you if needed. When everything looks correct, click Save at the bottom right of that pop-up. Finally, once you're back on the Location Details page, click Save again at the top near the search bar. Your new location is now created and ready to use. You can return to the default location section, click Change, and select this newly added address as your default return location. And that's all you need to do to update your return address on Shopify, whether you're switching to an existing location or creating a brand new one.